How to add manager in Google Business Profile. So first what you want to do is just search for my business here on Google search bar. And once you've searched for it, it should pop up right here. And just simply click on view profile and it will bring you right here on this page. Then click on the three dots here. Then click on business profile settings. Then you'll see people and access. You could add, edit, or remove people's access. Just simply click on that. And here there's an option to add someone, or basically add a manager of your business profile. So simply click on add and input the email address of the person or the email that you will want to manage your business profile to. And you could change it to owner or manager. So a manager can make changes to the business profile on Google search and maps. And once that's done, you simply need to click on invite and you just simply need to accept it on that particular email account. And once that's done, they should be added right here on your people and access section on your business profile. And that is basically it.